Welcome to Zoho Social. It is an online tool that helps businesses and people manage their social media accounts all in one place. You can schedule posts, track how well your posts are doing, and see what people are saying about your brand. It makes handling social media easier and saves time. Now let us look at the pricing plans available in the Zoho Social. The first one we have is a free plan, ideal for individuals or very small businesses just starting with social media. You can manage one brand with up to 6 social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google Business. One team member can use it. Basic tools and email support are included. Next up, you have a standard plan. It is ideal for small businesses or social media managers who want more channels and scheduling features. You can manage one brand with up to 10 social media channels, including Pinterest and some newer platforms. You get all free plan features plus better scheduling tools, publishing calendar, activity logs, link shortener, and reports. Next up, you have a professional plan. It is ideal for growing businesses or social media pros who need advanced tools and analytics. You get same channels as standard, plus live streaming, bulk scheduling, post insights, message management, and monitoring dashboard with more control over post. You can add extra brands or team members for a free. Then you have a premium plan. It is ideal for medium to large teams or agencies managing multiple brands and lots of social media channels. You can manage one brand with up to 13 channels including YouTube, WhatsApp, Business, Telegram, and more. Includes all professional features plus team collaboration tools where you can chat and do a audio or video call. You get content approval workflows, custom reports, CRM integrations, lead generation, and advanced content targeting in this. For any Zoho requirements, contact us at www.evgrade.com/zoho.